Yeah, you want to keep it up? I'm not going to drop Connie. I'm going to try to make it. There's also stuff over.
It's so good for you. You want to try? Sure. Yes. Thank you.
And then, I want to find out any
Just got the tribe started.
Yeah. They said little bookmarks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got it. I need to get
Yeah, I tried the shortbread and it was like with the lemon.
Yeah, and other fruits that when you like cut it and then you see it's like it's for that different part of the body. You see that?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, my grandfather always laughed at me. He was the only one in the. Cause my mother was born here. My grandfather came in during the revolution, and he fluently spoke Hungarian and English, but whatever.
These guys are teachers everywhere. Not everywhere, but a little harder to find.
Hello.
It is hilarious. I love it. Good.
She had a birdhouse that had a golf cart. Golf club.
West Coast, not really. There, you were still selling. So that's great. I'll be tempted to buy and drink the cider.
You're not driving.
Yeah. Yes.
4 wasn't enough. You had to get 5.
She always gives the extra one.
Oh, what a nice guy.
Flea market.
Yeah, so like he was
Okay,
like
abang nag-grass.
We pulled our guns and he fell with thud and I got away on the Tennessee stud. Tennessee stud was long and lean, color and something, and I was
artificial flavors, no preservatives, nothing. All naturally
We actually have one last we just found out that was one of our best sellers this year. Sure, yeah. Want to try ice cream? I saw someone walking around with one.
I think that would be hard.
And then you want to put together.
Making the design. Yeah, whereas those are they're just but they have
So we race down the river. Thank you very much. Yeah. All right.
So it does grow after the forest fire. Never seen anyone.
Years of pro.
I'm not rushing. I'm just telling you. I'm not rushing. I'm looking around. Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?